Once again, Happy Pinatubo Festival Bacolod, Zambales! Woo! At maraming salamat po kay Honorable Congresswoman Doris Nanay Bing Maniquis. Congresswoman, maraming salamat po. Honorable House Speaker Ferdinand Martin Romualdez. Yes. Tigong Party List. And hello po, and thank you also to Vice Mayor Doris Ladines of Bacolod, Mayor Irene Maniquis Binan of Iba Zambales. Maraming salamat po, and of course sa lahat po na bumubuo ng event na to for making this possible. Thank you so much. And for my next song, I hope you like this one po.
Trying to hold my breath, let it stay this way, and let this moment end. You said of the dream, getting louder, can you hear it? Take my hand, will you share this with me? 'Cause darling, without you, all the shine with thousands spotlights, all the stars we steal from the night sky will never be enough, never be enough. Towers of gold are still too little. This song is to hold the world, but I'll never be enough, never be enough. Maraming salamat po, Bacolod, Zambales, for having me tonight. From the bottom of my heart, thank you. Thank you, Congresswoman. Hello. Maraming salamat po at salamat din po sa pag-dinner kanina. Pasensya na po. Nadidighay kasi ako pag kumakain ako. Kaya po tinignan ko pa lang kung masarap na yung pagkain. Nagutom tuloy ako ngayon. Pero maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. At sana po ay ma-enjoy niyo po the rest of the night dahil marami pa po tayong celebrities na pakakantahin kayo at patatawanin kayo. Kaya naman po, mag-dyan lang po kayo, relax lang po kayong lahat. Ako po ay kakantahin ko na po ang aking last song. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat.